Hi there, this is video 5 that accompanies page 7 in your notes. So we're starting to apply functions on a row by row basis. So a function to work out a year or a month for each row. Now these functions, if you want to see them, let's just hold the control key and wheel back a little bit. I'm just zooming out. Now let's go to formulas in the ribbon, and you'll find about 2/3 the way across is a button called show formulas. Now if you click that button, it literally shows the formulas you've put into column G, into column H, into column J, and into column K. The formulas are great because they massage the data, cleanse and shape the data in a way that's going to be useful for us to create our charts and create our reports. But once they've sort of given us that data, I really want to drop the formulas, get rid of those, and just keep the answers. Because while they remain as formulas, there's always the chance they could get screwed up. So let's turn off the show formulas and let's get rid of the formulas but keep the results. In this case, the formulas reside in columns G, H, J, and K. So I'm just actually going to select from G to K. And in that area, I want to copy. So I'm going to go Control C for copy, but you copy however you like. And then I'm just going to right click straight back on this gray area. And normally when we paste, it's just this option. But I don't want that because that will keep the formulas. I want the second option called values. That will paste the values, keep the values, and drop the formulas. Let's do that. So that's done. Now to get rid of the wiggle, just press the escape key. And to show the formulas, we looked at this button here, but I now need to share with you there is a shortcut key. The key underneath the escape key looks like a wave, and that's called tilde. That's its name. It's one of the oldest characters in the English language. When you hold the control key and you tap that key under escape, you show your formulas, and when you tap it again, you show your answers. Now when I tap it to show formulas, you'll see that now columns G and H and J and K no longer contain formulas. So I know that that data is now stable. It's not likely to get screwed up because there's formulas still in there. So I got rid of the formulas and I'll turn off the show formulas. All right, so as we proceed through these techniques, I'll often get you to copy the data and say and paste it as values to just keep the results. Now practice what you've learnt, absorb what we've covered, and I'll see you in the next video.